At ito yung pipad na dala ko kanina. Tingnan natin yung laman. Hugasan muna natin. Ayan. Let's see what's inside. Ayan, oh wow. You see? It looks like a stone, but this is actually a seed. From this seed, you can plant more, obviously, more plants. Ayan, hindi na natin English ng malalim, but there you go. Ayan, I'm gonna bring it with me. Ayan. Ayan, oh, ayan, lagay natin dyan.